So this is the door I made for this teepee. I am just gonna roll it up for now. We don't plan on having it up for long. It is also a pretty nice presentation piece. So when do we plan on going in and out, not wanting the door up, but we do want to keep the rest of everything together. What we will do is take it. I kind of got these ones pre-tied. So they're just sitting there. Go over to the other side. And the canvas will have a little bit of play, but I think on this one I'm just gonna make sure it comes off properly and tie it properly. We don't want it to stretch too much. And I always try to make sure when I do tie that it is actually on a piece of wood. That'll actually keep it in place a little bit better. So now we can go around back and then we'll put up our smoke flaps. So if you guys want to come and join me around back.